you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have for you Mask Maven for October. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I normally always bring the beauty box to my channel. I recently started adding the Mask Maven because you guys know your girl loves me some face masks, skincare, yes, please and thank you. So I added the Mask Maven because it was the cheapest one. It was the best one that I saw, and plus I can do both, the Mask Maven versus the beauty box, to show you guys the difference between the two. This month I only received Mask Maven and I'm like, where in the world is my beauty box? So I logged into my account and apparently last month my subscription ended. And now most of my subscription boxes, you guys, I try to do the gift because if it's something that I do not want to resubscribe to, they won't resubscribe you automatically if you do a gift subscription. So that's normally what I do, but I'm normally pretty much better like keeping up with them, and they normally send an email. Well, I never even got an email or anything, so this is my very first month in over a year and a half. Look at my non-existent watch, like I'm gonna know the date. It's been over a year and a half. What in the world? It's been literally a year and a half over straight getting the Beauteque beauty box, and I'm so upset that I didn't get one this month. But I got an email from them in September stating that I had enough people sign up. I think I need 5 people to sign up and then they'll send me a free box. So I got that email. So even though my subscription ended last month, I should have still got that one free box that I'm owed to. So I sent them an email. I was like, I'm really confused. You know, I should have got this free box. So long story short, they told me that they're going to send me another one. They sent me a tracking number. So I don't know if it's going to be the beauty box or if it's going to be Mask Maven. I don't know if they understood my concerns because when they wrote me back, it wasn't addressing what I came to them with. So I was like, apparently you don't understand what I'm saying, because they were talking about, sorry, it was delayed, but it looks like it was delivered today. And I'm like, that was my Mask Maven. You guys, I'm not talking about Mask Maven. I'm talking about the beauty box. Anyway, all that set aside, they're sending me something. So hopefully they're sending me this last month's beauty box so I can show you that when it finally does come. Look at me. When it finally does come, I don't know. But for now, I do want to at least show you the Mask Maven because this is now for last month because they always ship at the very end of the month. So anyways, long story short, my goodness. If you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get into the Mask Maven. Let's see what masks we're getting. And then when I get the other shipment, then I'll just do that one separately this month. And then hopefully, I did sign up yesterday, or was it today? It might have been today. Was it yesterday? Maybe it was yesterday. I just signed up for another 6 months of the beauty box. So I know up until like, I think now it's up to March of 2020. I know now that I'm definitely going to be getting it because this one I did a whole year. So I know I'm good now moving forward for at least 6 more months. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see. I'm just so bummed I can't do both of them. But again, I don't know what they're sending me. So I'd rather show you something now and then I'll show you the other later. So they do put them all in this bag. Sorry, you guys. They're always in a nice little bag, nice and tight. And then here is the card, and it is Lights Owl October Mask Maven, and it has a little girl in a costume. This does go over all of the masks that we do receive, but there's no pricing in it. The beauty box has pricing in it. So here we have is the Bat Eye Mask, and it says it's honey fermented essence, and it looks like it actually looks like a bat, but it looks like it actually goes up and over your nose. So it's not just an eye mask. It looks like it goes over your nose as well. So that is really neat. This must be the mystery mask. There's a thing right here that says mystery mask because none of these other pictures look like a bat. So I'm going to assume this is the mystery mask, and that's awesome. It looks like a bat, which is perfect for October because of Halloween. Now, ooh, if you guys follow me, you know I love watermelon. This is watermelon pads. So these are 10 little pads that you can put over any trouble spot. So it's not like you need to have a whole complete mask over your entire face. You can stick them in different little zones and target specific areas. And I wonder if they smell like watermelon. 10 sheets. So we have that. Now we have is a Skin Traveler Wash Off Blackhead Bubble Pack Pearl. So this is not even a sheet mask. This is a wash off bubble pack mask. Now we have is a Black Food Gel Lip Zone Mask. So this isn't a lip mask, it's a lip zone. It looks like it completely goes around your entire mouth. So it's not a lip mask, it's a lip zone mask. So this would be cool for me to put this on within like the little bat and then use the watermelon to kind of fill in the gaps. That would be really cool. Maybe I'll do that. Then we have, we have snail, you guys. Snail extract for fast vitality from damaged skin. And this is, it's a 3D shaped natural plumping mask. Alrighty. There's some pretty snails on the outside. So there's that guy right there. Now we have is SOS Clink Mask Blemish. Maybe it'll help cut down on my blemishes. I don't know, we'll see. But here is an SOS Blemish. I'm gonna assume this is a sheet mask. It feels like it would be a sheet mask. So then we have is a Volcanic Ash Essence Mask Sheet. There's that, look at that. It's exploding. And why is that person like floating in the clouds? I'm not sure, but there's that. And then we have a Charcoal Essence Mask Sheet. And then the last item in here, you guys, I love when they put in the 3-step masks. So this is a step 3. You start with step 1, step 2, and then step 3. And I love when they give you these 1-2 step. This is a 1-2-3 step, but I love that. So you start with the Marine Waterful Essence, and then you go with the Moisture Mask Pearl, and then you end with the Marine All Face Eye Cream. So that's awesome. So that is everything that came in this month's bag. That's what came in this month's bag, you guys. So we have the 3-step, the charcoal, the volcanic, the blemish, the good old snail. We have the bubble or the face or the lip zone. The lip zone. This one is the blackhead bubble pack. We have the little use them where you want them. And then the eye patch, which this is really cool for Halloween. So this is perfect for October. I just really wish I would have got my beauty box because that's what I love getting every month. I'm really, really bummed out right now, but I hope that's what they're sending me. So hopefully in a week or less, depending on shipping, hopefully I'll have that and I can show you what that is. But at least for now, you're able to see what is in the Mask Maven and we'll see what they send me. So if you guys are interested in knowing the pricing, the Mask Maven is $15 a month with shipping as an addition. If you do 6 months, it's $14. If you do a whole year, it brings it to $13 per month. And again, shipping is an addition. If you order by the 15th of the month, you can get that month's box. That's why they always do it so late. So now this is November. If you order before November 15th, you will receive November's box. And they always ship it at the very end of November. Sometimes we are lucky enough to get them at the very end of the month, but most of the time we get it in the first week of the following month. I wish they would reverse it and just ship out, let's say for November. If they ship them at the very end of October, like the very last day of October, then we would receive November's box in the first week of the month instead of the first week of the following month. But that's just my own suggestion. I've suggested that for look, here we go again. What is up with this? I don't even wear watches, so why do I keep looking at my wrist? I don't know. But that's what I've suggested for now over a year and a half. They're obviously not going to change it, but that's what I think would be nice, because then you would get it in the same month. But it's always worth the wait because I really love my Beauteque monthly. So there's that. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this month's bag? We got all these different really cool masks, and now they sent different ones. Normally we've been getting a lot of just regular sheet masks. Now we have some wash offs, we have some individuals, we have some roundabout your mouths and that kind of thing. So let me know, what did you think of this month? I really like it. I'm really excited. I really hope I get the Beauteque beauty box soon. And at least I did sign up for another 6 months, so I know for the next 6 months moving forward, I'm good to go. But yes, I did another gift subscription, so I just gotta think and remember before it runs out. So that is everything that I have for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.